Configuring your free credit score on Credit.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, navigate to the Credit.com website and click on the Get Your Free Credit Score button. This will take you to a registration page where you will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have entered your information, you will be asked to create a username and password to secure your account. Choose a strong password and make sure to write it down or store it in a secure location. After creating your account, you will be asked to answer a series of security questions to verify your identity. Next, you will be asked to link your bank accounts or other financial institutions to your Credit.com account. This will allow Credit.com to access your credit information and provide you with an accurate credit score. You can link your accounts by entering your login credentials or by using a secure connection. After linking your accounts, Credit.com will use the information to generate your credit score. This score is based on information from the 3 major credit reporting bureaus, including Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Your credit score will be displayed on a dashboard, along with other information such as your credit utilization ratio and payment history. To get the most out of your free credit score, it is essential to monitor your credit report regularly and dispute any errors you may find. You can do this by clicking on the Credit Report tab and reviewing the information. If you find any errors, you can dispute them by clicking on the Dispute button and following the prompts. In addition to monitoring your credit report, you can also use Credit.com to track your credit score over time. This will help you to identify areas for improvement and make changes to your financial habits to improve your credit score. By following these steps and using the tools provided by Credit.com, you can take control of your credit and make informed financial decisions. It is also important to note that Credit.com uses 128-bit encryption to secure your information, so you can be confident that your data is safe. Additionally, Credit.com is a reputable company that has been providing free credit scores for many years and has helped millions of people to improve their credit and achieve their financial goals. By configuring your free credit score on Credit.com, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. With the tools and resources provided by Credit.com, you can take control of your credit and achieve financial stability.